Now we are going to see how to make our archiving process much easier. If you have your bubble sheet, answer sheets graded, you could give to Mr. Anwar and get an Excel file which contains the respective marks. Similarly, if you have your projects graded, you can also generate an Excel file like this. Make sure your Excel file has these things inside: student ID, the name of the student, the sections, and you can have the HVCLOs, whichever HVCLOs you need them, plus their marks, the individual marks and the total marks. So you have this file ready. In my case here, I have taken CPIT 405 with the ID, with the name, the section, and I have these marks here, HVCLOs, total marks, and the individual marks are here as well. So once you have this file, remember this file wherever you have saved it. Also, I'm using sheet 2. You can use any sheet, doesn't matter. Okay, so now you will go to your AIM system, download the respective cover page for that exam or for that project. So I have downloaded it. The next step to do, open that file, that PDF file in Word. Right click and open with Word. So once you open it, it will be something like this. Okay, so go down, it will be of 2 pages. Just go to the bottom page, delete everything in the bottom page. So I've deleted them. So I have just one single page now. Now I'm working on this single page. So I click on this student ID. I'm going to expand it until here. Similar, I'm going to take this guy, expand it. Take the section, I'm going to expand it also. Right? So all 3 have expanded. Now I will select the student ID. I'll make a copy. Right click, copy. Then I will say paste. Right, it's here. So I'm going to drag that student ID to this spot here. And I'm going to reduce it. So let me reduce the size of it. So reduce it to that extent it stays within this box here, within the total obtained in assessment box. Then I am done. I have all these places. Here I can click. Just make sure you can click on all these HVCLOs around. Now once it is ready, just go and close your final exam, the Excel file which you had before. Okay, close this. And this is my articulation matrix for my course. It says the comprehensive exam is of 30 marks, total marks, and each CLO percentage is given. This is just for references. So let's go back to this guy and I will click on the mailings. Go to select recipients, use an existing list. I have put things in the desktop, so I'm going here. I'm going to select my Excel file which contains the mark list. So I select it here. As I have told you earlier, my entries are in sheet 2, so just select sheet 2. Now I'm done. I'm going to click here on the student ID. Just press some space so that you are inside this box and go and select insert merge field. I'm selecting the student ID here. Then for the student name, again I push the space. Then insert merge field, I'm giving the name. Here then again press space bar until you are inside the box and I'm selecting the sections. Go here, select the student ID. You can remove the word student ID. Insert field, and this is the final mark, which is the total marks here. Then you can come here, insert the marks for each HVCLO. Make sure you insert the marks for each HVCLO correctly. So HVCLO 2, HVCLO 6, and this is number 7, number 13, and number 16. I can select these fields and then I can go to my home and just increase the font size if I want it to be slightly bigger. Done. So now I will click on the mailings again, finish and merge. Click on this, edit individual documents. The all is selected, click OK. So now it generates for me the cover sheet. You can see all the students' ID, the name, the section, the marks, everything is there. You just have to print it. If there were some empty columns or not applicable, it will come. So maybe it's an absent student or whatever. So that's it. This does our job. Whatever you need is here. Now you can print, add it to your bubble sheet or add it to your project. If your project is just a software project, you don't need to put the software. You just print this page and give it to them for archiving purpose. Remember, when you have printed all these things, you have in that PDF file, okay, if I have to open this, I have to close this one because I opened it in Word. So close that one, go back, open this file. There is a second page here. Okay, print this page separately, right? Here just tick on the attendance sheet, because you can generate your attendance sheet from the Excel. Just put all the student name and the ID, just tick for attendance if they are present, and keep a copy, an empty copy of the exam rubric and the student sheets, which is your answer sheets, which you all know. So these things could be done. So print this one separately, and you can write here total mark is out of /30 /10 /20, whatever. For each one you just write what is the total marks, okay, out of it. And that's it. This ends our presentation. I hope this is useful and this makes our job easier. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.